Good morning, it's Edna Keep here live with Mindset Monday. And today I want to talk a little bit about visualizing. And also, I gotta just face my... You can just see that when it comes up. Didn't see it before. Anyway, I want to talk about visualizing and also the workshop I have on visualizing tonight. One of the things that has worked really well for me to reach my goals is visualizing. And the more consistent I am with it, the better it works. So we're going to get deep into how to visualize, why to visualize, and even have a couple practice sessions in tonight's workshop. So you'll want to be there. There's going to be a registration link in the video below. So make sure you come. It is free. There will be an opportunity to work with me more with that kind of stuff if it's something that you're interested in, but you will get good value out of the workshop just by being there. Or register if you can't be there live, and I will send you out the recording as well. So first of all, some people think they can't visualize, but one of the things I want to say to you is, could you tell me what the front door of your house looks like? And for most of you, a picture will pop into your mind. It's not words, but it'll be an actual picture. Can you tell me what type of flooring you have in your bedroom? You know, again, a picture will pop into your mind. That's visualizing. And you can creative visualize, meaning you can create your reality or your life through proper visualizing techniques. Again, we're going to get a little bit more into that, in depth in that in tonight's workshop. But it's a known fact that visualizing works really well for helping you create that reality, because if you can live it before it's there, then it's just going to manifest for you. So what are some things that, one of the things that I want people to do before the workshop tonight, because I happen to know that there's a couple people watching this, and I am going to shoot out an email later, but I'll give you a little bit of a heads up, is I want you to write a number one goal that you'd like to focus on for the year 2020 on a card, because tonight is, we're going to do the visualization on that particular goal for you, and what that could potentially look like, and how to just draw out that visualization and make things feel like you've actually accomplished them already. So there's your heads up. Write it out. Write out your number one goal that you want to do for 2020, and we're going to talk more about that tonight. So when is the best time for visualizing? Well, the best time is actually first thing in the morning when you wake up, and last thing at night, because your mind is the most susceptible to your visualization techniques at that point. And the reason is you're just relaxing, you're just waking up, you're relaxed, you're just going to sleep, you're relaxing. And I actually find it's a really great way to go to sleep, because I put a recording of my own voice, of my visualization, and I listen to it, and then there's some blank space in there for me to go through the visualization part, and I very seldom get through the whole 12 minutes before I fall asleep, but that's great. It's a great time to do it, because then it's actually getting into your subconscious, because what a lot of people don't realize is we're programmed. So any limiting beliefs that you might have over the years, whether it's I don't deserve to make that kind of money, or nobody loves me, or I'll always be heavy, whatever that is something that's got into your subconscious when you were a child, and most likely before the age of 6. And to get past that, you have to take some measures to be able to deprogram or reprogram yourself. it doesn't just happen. You actually have to do something. There's two ways. One is by repetition of what it is that you're looking to accomplish, and the other is actually a life-changing event. And a lot of times that life-changing event is something negative, like you were maybe diagnosed with an illness that's going to kill you. All of a sudden it's like, yeah, I can eat right or whatever. You know, there's different things like that that happen to people that cause your paradigm to shift and change into something that you realize this belief is killing you. This limiting belief is holding you back from the goals that you want to have. So again, that's something that I'm going to help you with tonight on the workshop. So what is a paradigm? I've had people ask me, what is a paradigm? Well, that's what it is. It is those limiting beliefs that you're brought up with that you don't even know you have. It's conversations you've heard from your family when you were really young that you probably can't even remember. And it's just the way that you're brought up. And I think I've mentioned this many times before, but if you were say birthed by a mother and in Canada and adopted by the Japanese, you would eat what the Japanese eat or what that Japanese family eats, and you'd speak Japanese. That's just the way it is. And it wouldn't matter where you were born. It's your environment that controls that. So learning how to take control of that and really, really, really spending the time to create what you want through these visualization techniques are what's going to help you go to the next level. So if you want to make 2020 your best ever, get out to the workshop, learn the techniques, and then practice them every morning and every night, because the more you practice them, the more that they'll be ingrained. And that repetition is what's going to change those limiting beliefs for you and help you create the reality that you want. So that's all for now. I have to jump off and finish preparing for everything tonight. So have a really, really great New Year's Eve, which is tomorrow. And I wish you all the best in 2020. But just remember that wishing doesn't work. You actually have to do the work. And that's the part that we're going to work on tonight. So see y'all there. Bye for now. Hey, hi, Walter. Hi, Joanne.